Kio Ora.
Hi, I'm Rayan.
Hi, I'm Maisie.
Welcome to Rayan and Maisie TV.
I can do this all day. Let's unbox Captain America Premium Format from Sideshow Collectibles. Captain America, look at this colorful box.
That's solid. This is solid side. This shield.
Let's open it up. Wow, look at the pieces. Just at the base.
Wow. Buddha, what's that?
I can see Captain America here, part of him. That's a shield. Look at the bottom of the base. Captain America Premium Format. We got the 887.
3,500.
That's a nice
They
base.
made that money. Wow.
Yep, you can put the rest on.
With pleasure.
Trying to do his body.
Yep. Wow, is this really heavy?
No, it's okay. You can hold it if you want to just hold it together.
It is.
Alright.
Yeah, I've got it.
Don't need to drop it.
No, I didn't drop it.
I got it.
Wow, it's so nicely done.
Oh, yeah, sculpted it. Amazing.
Look at his utility belt. You can take him off me. It's kind of heavy.
Out of the back too.
Oh wow, I like this. You can actually feel that.
Do you think I can
Over
hold
the
it?
boots.
I don't think so. I can hold it.
Big pig.
Nice.
With a pig like that big, you'd hope he won't lean over time.
So
shelves
he's
and-
basically standing on top of the Hydra weaponry. That's the sort of base. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be on slanted. That is so cool. So far.
Have a fun time looking where that goes.
Oh, cool. So it might be holding on to his shield.
Meshes the boots.
Yep.
Texturing the sculpt. Folds. Nice. Cool.
It's so amazing how they sculpt these.
Hey, I'll put them on with pleasure. Here, just put it down.
Oh, does it glow?
No, these shards are going to go on here.
Oh, okay.
So it's like, he's
Oh,
in
look at
battle.
the battle damage.
Yeah.
Is it
Like
heavy?
he's being
Can I
shot
hold
at.
it? Oh no, it's not heavy.
Can I try holding it?
Sure. Oh, it comes with the hand fixed in it.
Well, yeah. It's so light. It's even lighter than a plate, I think.
Code.
This one. Alright, that is.
Green.
I think so. I think that goes with it. Where does it go?
Yep.
Okay, I think that's. Okay, I got this color. There you go. Now the last one.
Sculpt. That's the last thing to go in.
So here's our Captain America.
Can I put it on?
Steve Rogers.
Steve Rogers.
Brag.
Look at blue eyes. It's got sort of a serious face going on. He means business. Okay, you want to put it on?
Yes. Okay, I think that goes like... Oh, just magnetic.
Nice.
Wow. He looks really cool. He just looks so realistic. Great paint job. And then a fist up here. Oh, that's where his other foot is. I really like the shield. So he's about 21 inches tall, this statue. It's a heavy piece, isn't it? Just looks so cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave your thoughts about this one in the comment section.
Bye.
Bye guys, see you in the next one. So this is where he's sitting on the shelf.